Midjourney have just released a brand new feature and it is mind-blowing and it will change the game in terms of AI art. So without further ado, let's just check it out. So last night, Midjourney made an announcement here introducing a new feature called Describe. So like the Imagine prompt, it's /describe. And you use the command, you upload an image, and you will get 4 text prompts that describe the image. So this is like reverse engineering. This is Midjourney doing reverse engineering. And this is going to change the way that you come up with prompts, because I don't know about you, I struggle with prompts sometimes, trying to work it out or trying to capture exactly what I want. And sometimes there might be pictures out there that you kind of like already, not necessarily that you don't have prompts for. So I'm not talking about existing Midjourney prompts, but say some pictures and you want to say, I want something that looks a bit like that. You can upload it to Midjourney. It will then give you 4 prompts in the style of Midjourney based on what it thinks it sees in the picture, which is just mind-blowing in itself, and then recreate it. So let me show you what I mean. So I've done one here. So this is my Midjourney here. In my Discord. This picture here is basically based on my daughter's artwork project for her school. Okay, so basically what I did is I uploaded the picture, and I'll show you the picture. Well, I'll just demonstrate, it'll be quicker. So here we are. So you put in /describe, and then instantly it comes up with a drag and drop file. So just drop it in here. This is my daughter's artwork project. Hit return, and then it simply comes back with 4 different prompts. Here we are. Don't do what I do and copy them all. But look, it's sort of saying it's slightly different than the last prompts, but let's see. So what you can then do is take one of these prompts, painting of a girl covering her hands with her hands in the style of macabre illustrations, Gillian Tamaki, mirrored cut and paste, detailed facial features, Daniela Ulig Vantis, skull motifs. Let's get one with the skulls. In the style of social media portraiture. No, it's not that one. Skeletal social media. Let's go this one, number 2 here. And then it's going to reinterpret this. So put imagine, put in the prompt. So this just gives you an idea of what you can do. So, you know, obviously you can find existing Midjourney images and then copy their prompts and put it in. But if you're trying to find inspiration for a prompt, you can search the internet for a picture or your own pictures. We'll put in, you know, one of our own pictures and then see what Midjourney comes up with in terms of a description, and then put that in as an imagine prompt and see what it comes up with. And there you've got some sort of variation on the artwork, quite like this one. I think I prefer the other ones, but this is an interpretation of, say, you know, in this case, some artwork. I mean, in terms of I prefer these ones that it first came up with, to be honest, much more in that illustrative style. But yeah, you can find it, find a picture on the internet. Okay, so let's do another one. I've just uploaded a picture here. So I put in /describe, uploaded a picture of Diva from Overwatch here in a kind of dynamic pose. And it's come back with these 4 descriptions. Female character in Overwatch holding a gun in the style of, it's interesting, it knows the game, sky blue and pink whiplash curves, a girl with a gun in an Overwatch game, female character flying. Yeah, so it's interesting that it recognized that the characters from Overwatch. I put the first one in here. Imagine a character in Overwatch holding a gun in the style of sky blue, pink and whiplash, and it came back with these 4 photos. I mean, I think they look really cool. I mean, you know, I think you'd have to describe that Diva is from, you know, Korean, but it's taken the essence of the style and look of the picture, and I think it's created something really marvelous, really impressive. So there you go. You can see how it can inspire you to come up with really great prompts if you're struggling, and then you come up with amazing kind of pictures like this by basically getting Midjourney to come up with a prompt for you, and then taking those prompts and, you know, maybe tweaking them, maybe, you know, turning around, but then coming up with something that maybe you're looking for. So find something you're looking for in the real world, in pictures or whatever it is, get Midjourney to interpret it. Really, really cool. It'll be interesting to see how people kind of, you know, push this, what kind of images they upload. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take the other prompt. Take this first one. Just as comparison. Warm core. It's interesting. Very interesting interpretations of the original photo. Very two different interpretations of the original photo. This one's the top one's very stylistic. I thought I was spending enough time on Midjourney anyway, but this whole describe a photograph and then get it to reinterpret it in prompt, then taking that prompt and getting Midjourney to reinterpret it is a whole new thing that I'm really interested in exploring. So there you go. I just thought I'd show that and demonstrate to you. This is an absolute crazy feature. It's going to help you with your prompting, some of the language that the prompting uses. You've got things in here like this warm core and stuff like that, and various references, intimacy, all that kind of stuff, language that you might not kind of necessarily include. And this will hopefully help you really nail that prompt language that you need. But just have a go. If you've not seen my previous video on Midjourney version 5, then check that out. There'll be a video at the end and a link in the description, but certainly check it out. This is an absolute game changer. And I'm looking forward to really diving in and uploading loads of different photos, seeing what it can do and using those photos as kind of a reference and stuff like that. So really, really interesting. Hope you found it useful. Hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you're new to my channel, then do me the great honor of hitting that subscribe, toggling that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with content just like this. And if you're interested in more videos like this, then why don't you check out these ones here? I think you'll find they're very interesting. Check them out. Thanks for watching.